Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2022 Yamaha RMAX Limited two-seater. We've just installed the Yamaha Lightbar on it. Wanted to do a walk around, tell you a little bit about the bar. What we like about the Yamaha Lightbar is how it mounts. It does look good up on the machine. You can see that you will need to drill a hole in the roof to get that done. There is a grommet that comes with the kit to seal that off nicely. Installed properly, you're not going to see it leak at all. The indentation on the roof is designed perfectly for this bar. What makes this bar so special is how it mounts on the inside of the machine. You can see that the light bar is actually mounted up in this position here. Yamaha could have easily just put a bolt on the bottom with a big washer or something like that to mount it to the roof in that position. But as you know, that would cause vibration issues in the light. So what they've done is provided a nice aluminum bracket that comes down, pops through the ceiling, and ties into the roll cage bar there on the top. It looks really good from the inside. No issues that way. Does come with a nice rocker switch, as you see here. Very nice and bright bar from Yamaha. Here's another look at that grommet and how that mounts. And there again on the inside. Where it comes through, you're going to have a spot here where you could release or quick release the light bar from the wiring harness. And of course, the Yamaha bar does tie in to the Yamaha system. Behind the dash along here, you've got accessory outlets there. There's 5 of them. Lots of accessories available for the RMAX. This is a great one from Yamaha. 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We'll also post up in the description below where you can go on, place your order online. Have a great day, everybody.